Hello everyone, as every day, today also I visited StackOverflow to find the answers for my question. But today I saw this new privacy update. We do not currently allow content pasted from the ChatGPT on stackoverflow.com. So what is ChatGPT? So I search in Google. As per the Google results, ChatGPT is a very powerful artificial intelligence that is from the OpenAI. OpenAI is a company which is founded by Elon Musk. So let's go to the openai.com and see how can we use the ChatGPT to answer the Stack Overflow questions. So I'm going to the openai.com and I'm going to sign up for this one. So setup is completed. It's time to test it. So I'm going to ask one question from the ChatGPT. So how to declare the array in Java? So I never expect this kind of answers from the ChatGPT. So let's ask another question. It's perfect. So I'm going to the Stack Overflow and pick one question. So I choose this one. So I just copy and paste the. So it's giving the answers for the question. So I haven't read the question and answer. So now I'm going to copy this answer and paste it into the Stack Overflow and see how the community members identify I copy the answers from the chat GPT. So I just copy and paste it. So I just press the post the answers. So I just post it.
A few moments later.
So time to reload this question. I just reload this one. So there's two answers for this question. So one answer is answered by Josias, right? So 5 minutes ago. So this is my answer. Actually, this is not my. This is ChatGPT answer. This is downvoted by someone. So I don't know this answer is suitable for this specific question, but someone is downvoted. So you can able to see. I answer the question 40 minutes before, right? So 40 minutes ago I answered this question, but during this 50 minutes someone downloaded this one, right? So I am going to delete this answer, so I don't want to make the confusion to the guy ask the question. And that's all guys. So this is my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe and give me a support to me. So in upcoming weeks I'm going to work with the OpenAI. Must be an interesting part. So and let's wait, and thank you so much guys.